Frustrated with air compressors that can't keep up with your pneumatic tools or cost a fortune for professional-grade power? I've found the 5 air compressors that deliver serious performance without breaking the bank. Our rigorous testing process, which includes sustained load testing and real-world workshop scenarios, has revealed which air compressors truly excel for powering impact wrenches, nail guns, and spray equipment. Each one offers unique advantages that could be perfect for your workshop needs, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. California Air Tools 1TOY1060S. If you've been searching for an air compressor that won't wake the entire neighborhood, this ultra-quiet model delivers something truly remarkable with its whisper-quiet 56 decibel operation. What immediately sets this compressor apart is how you can actually use it indoors without disturbing anyone. The oil-free design means you'll never deal with messy oil changes or maintenance headaches. Plus, it delivers cleaner air output that's perfect for precision work like airbrushing or detailed finishing projects. Additionally, the compact 1-gallon tank and 29-pound weight make this incredibly portable. You can easily carry it from your garage to your workshop, or even upstairs for indoor projects. The 0.6 horsepower motor operates at just 1680 RPM, which contributes to both the quiet operation and extended pump life of over 3,000 hours. For airflow, you'll get 1.2 CFM at 90 PSI, which handles brad nailers, finish nailers, staple guns, and inflation tasks quite well. The dimensions of just 12.5 by 14.7 by 14.75 inches mean it fits easily in tight storage spaces or workbenches. However, keep in mind that the smaller tank size means it's really designed for intermittent use rather than continuous heavy-duty applications. Tools requiring sustained high airflow will cause frequent cycling, so this works best for quick bursts and lighter projects. Where this compressor truly excels is for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone who needs air tools occasionally, but values peace and quiet. Whether you're doing trim work in a finished basement or inflating sports equipment without disturbing family members, this delivers exactly what you need. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see if this quiet performer fits your workshop needs. Number 4. BOSTITCH 3-Tool Air Compressor Kit. Unlike the ultra-quiet California Air Tools we just covered, this kit takes a completely different approach by focusing on versatility and incredible value rather than whisper-quiet operation. What immediately catches your attention is everything you get. In one package, you're getting 3 separate pneumatic tools, plus a pancake-style air compressor and a 15-foot air hose. There's an 18-gauge brad nailer for trim work, a 16-gauge straight finish nailer for heavier finishing tasks, and a heavy-duty 3/8-inch crown stapler that also handles brad nails. Additionally, the performance of these tools is genuinely impressive. The 16-gauge nailer drives nails from 1 1/4 inches up to 2.5 inches, making it substantially more powerful than the 18-gauge version. Users consistently report 0 jams, even after driving hundreds of nails, which speaks volumes about the build quality. The compressor itself fills up in just 2 minutes from empty, and the regulator makes adjusting air pressure incredibly straightforward. Plus, you'll find a semi-knurled bleeder valve on the bottom for easy pressure release and water drainage. However, keep in mind that this setup prioritizes power and value over quiet operation. The compressor does produce noticeable noise during operation, and it tends to spin slightly on smooth floors. Many users solve this by placing it on a rubber mat or in an adjacent room. What makes this kit particularly appealing is the cost comparison. You're essentially getting multiple professional-grade tools for less than what a single quality cordless nailer typically costs. Whether you're installing baseboards, building furniture, or tackling various finishing projects around your home, this kit handles everything efficiently. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see just how much value this comprehensive setup delivers. Number 3. California Air Tools 80110A. Unlike the smaller 1-gallon model we covered earlier, this 8-gallon compressor delivers that same whisper-quiet operation, but with significantly more air capacity for tackling larger projects around your workshop. What immediately stands out is the remarkable 60 decibel operation, which means you can actually hold conversations while it's running without any issues. Additionally, the oil-free dual-piston pump system eliminates all the maintenance headaches of traditional compressors. Plus, it delivers cleaner air output that's perfect for sensitive applications like painting or precision finishing work. The performance specs are genuinely impressive for this size class. You'll get 3.10 CFM at 40 PSI and 2.20 CFM at 90 PSI with a maximum pressure of 120 PSI that handles most standard air tools efficiently. Moreover, the tank fills from empty to full pressure in just 165 seconds, and recovery time from 90 PSI back to 120 PSI takes only 6 60 seconds. What's particularly appealing is the portability factor. At 37.25 pounds, with an included wheel kit, you can easily move this around your workspace without struggling. The 1-horsepower motor operates at just 1680 RPM, which contributes to both the quiet operation and extended pump life of over 3,000 hours. However, keep in mind that the 2.2 CFM at 90 PSI might be limiting for tools with very high air consumption requirements. This works best for nail guns, staplers, airbrushes, and spray guns, rather than heavy-duty impact wrenches that demand continuous high airflow. Where this compressor truly excels is for anyone who needs more capacity than the smaller models, but still values peace and quiet. Whether you're working in a shared garage, an apartment workshop, or anywhere noise matters, this delivers professional performance without disturbing family members or neighbors. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see if this quiet powerhouse matches your workshop requirements. Number 2. Craftsman Air Compressor Combo Kit. Unlike the California Air Tools models we've covered, this kit takes a completely different approach by focusing on exceptional value and immediate functionality rather than ultra-quiet operation. What immediately stands out is everything you get in one package. You're getting a powerful 150 PSI air compressor that's assembled right here in the USA, plus an 18-gauge brad nailer that drives nails up to 2 inches long and a connecting hose, so you can start working immediately. Additionally, the oil-free design means you'll never deal with messy maintenance or oil changes, which makes this incredibly user-friendly for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. The portable design lets you easily move it around your workspace or job site without struggling with heavy equipment. What's particularly appealing is the brad nailer's performance. It handles trim work, molding installation, and finishing projects with consistent reliability, and the 2-inch nail capacity covers most standard applications you'll encounter around your home. Moreover, the 150 PSI output provides plenty of power for the included nailer, while also handling tire inflation and other pneumatic tools when needed. The fact that it's made in Tennessee with global materials gives you that quality assurance that Craftsman has built their reputation on. However, keep in mind that this setup prioritizes value and portability over whisper-quiet operation. You'll hear it running, so it's best suited for garage workshops or outdoor projects rather than indoor spaces where noise matters. Where this kit truly excels is for anyone starting their pneumatic tool collection or needing a reliable brad nailer setup without breaking the budget. Whether you're installing baseboards, building furniture, or tackling weekend projects, this delivers professional results with incredible convenience. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see just how much value this comprehensive kit provides. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Number 1. Metabo HPT 6-gallon air compressor. Unlike the ultra-quiet models we've covered so far, this compressor takes a completely different approach by prioritizing raw power and performance over whisper-quiet operation, and the results are genuinely impressive. What immediately sets this apart is the exceptional 200 PSI maximum tank pressure, which delivers 25% more pressure than standard pancake compressors. Additionally, you'll get 4 CFM at 90 PSI, providing 30% more airflow compared to many competitors, which translates directly into better tool performance and longer runtime between cycles. Where this compressor truly excels is its ability to run multiple nail guns simultaneously without significant pressure drops. You can operate 2 framing nailers, 3 finish nailers, or even 5 brad nailers at the same time, making this incredibly valuable for crews working together or anyone tackling large projects efficiently. Moreover, the Japanese engineering behind this design ensures reliable performance that professionals have come to expect from the Metabo HPT brand. At 41 pounds, it maintains excellent portability while delivering substantially more power than the lighter models we've discussed earlier. The 6-gallon tank capacity strikes an ideal balance between air storage and maneuverability. Plus, the consistent pressure delivery means you'll drive nails flush every time, without the frustrating inconsistencies that plague lesser compressors. However, keep in mind that this power and performance comes with noticeably louder operation compared to the California Air Tools models we covered. You'll definitely want to use hearing protection and consider your workspace environment before choosing this over the quieter alternatives. Where this compressor truly shines is for contractors and serious dyers who need dependable power for demanding applications. Whether you're framing a deck, installing siding, or running multiple tools on a busy job site, this delivers the consistent performance that gets work done efficiently. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see if this powerhouse matches your air tool requirements. So, which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.